Hey guys, Joe here, and today we're going to build a laser cut LED sign. Let's get to it. So to make this sign, I'm first going to have to design a box that can slot together. I'm using a program that can create an SVG image of a 6-sided box and space the teeth apart for a 3mm gap, since that's the thickness of the acrylic and wood. This Trotec laser can cut up to 6mm in one pass, and that's super useful for rapid prototyping. Okay guys, so we have laser cut our Moonhub sign, and we're here actually with Moonhub, who are gonna do some handiwork with us. So Hannah is going to glue in the clear acrylic Moonhub logos onto our back board here as well. We want as much light to be diffused on this back wall as we possibly can. So let's super glue these in on here by first taking off the back sticker from this acrylic. So now that we have all of the backing of our letters cut and peeled off, we're going to glue them onto our sign. We're using super glue with an activator on one side to get a really good connection. It's important to still leave the protective tape on the front so we don't have any accidental cuts or drops of glue ruin the clean look. We then need to make a hole for the power and the remote on the back of the sign. The benefit of using lasers is the ability to change the design quickly. We simply measure the hole diameter and send it to the laser to cut. This leaves us with an adaptable model which we can change almost instantly at the lab rather than sending something back to a factory. I'm then using super glue gel to attach it flush with the holes. Okay, so we're letting these glue just to make sure that the power on here can connect. We then attach the LED strip to the back of the box. This has double-sided tape and is very flexible to put in any shape to create a good amount of light. Another benefit is it can be cut on different lengths in order to not waste material. Alright, and to test, we want to make sure that it works. And voila! Woohoo! Looks good. We like this. Alright, let's power off. If we want to, we can also add a phone charger underneath it to power it up. So if you want to have your phone rest on top here, like this, and then it can recharge when you rest it on top here. Moonhub didn't want that function, so all that's left is to glue the box together with wood glue. This is much easier with some helping hands to hold the sides while the glue dries. I'm also using a little silicone brush from Rockler to help apply glue to the boards rather than using my finger. We then use a band clamp to hold everything. Okay, so the final reveal.
Yeah.
Let's take off the tape. Oh, there we go. Nice.
All right, awesome.
Look at that.
Perfect.
Cool.
Right, so, should we get this?
Let's load it up. All right.
That's cool.
Awesome.
The Moonhub sign is now complete. And that is how we make an interactive sign using lasers, LED lights, and teamwork.
And lots of glue.
And lots of glue. Nice, guys.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thanks for this. This is fun.
This was really good fun. Looking forward to taking this back to the office now.
You'll see it around town.
Yeah. Awesome.
All right. Cheers,
See you
guys.
later.
Later. This is a great way to show how certain tools can help bring an idea to life. In the next video, we'll embed some simple technology to adapt these traditional items to the future. Be sure to check it out.